Hello, I'm Nathan Tobler, a personal injury attorney with Tobler & Associates, your accident and injury team. As an attorney, I deal with people who've been in car accidents almost every day. Sometimes they happen on freeways or sometimes they happen on streets just like this. The accidents can be minor and traumatic. But the question to me is always the same. Nathan, what can I do to protect my rights and help my case? And the answer is really simple. It starts at the scene of the accident. First, when you're involved in an accident, call the police. Most of us have cell phones just like this. And if you don't, you should have someone at the scene of the accident call the police for you. Police officers can investigate the scene of the accident, talk to witnesses, check to see if the individual who hurt you or caused the accident was impaired. Second, take pictures at the scene of the accident. You might have a camera or even a cell phone that can do that. And there's lots of things that you want to take pictures of. For instance, the license plate of the other driver who hit you, or the property damage to his car or your car. You may even want to take a picture of the insurance card or information of the other driver. Sometimes there might be something that obscured your vision or something at the scene of the accident that is special or unique, but you need to take that picture to preserve that evidence. Now, distances and perspective can be important photos, so you might want to take measurements. Now, we don't always have a ruler in our cars, so sometimes what you want to do is use a common household object that everyone's familiar with, like a dollar bill. You put this in the frame of the shot, and it will lend perspective and give people a sense of size and distance. Third, get the names and information for witnesses that may be at the scene of the accident. Oftentimes, witnesses are in a hurry to get to their own lives, and they won't stick around, and you'll want to contact them later. Or perhaps the police officers will only get the names of 1 or 2 witnesses when there might have been 3 or 4. In order to best preserve evidence and information, you need to make sure you get their contact information for yourself. And fourth, and perhaps most importantly, if you've been injured, seek medical treatment right away. Whether it's being taken in an ambulance to the emergency room right away, or following up at an urgent care later in the day, or perhaps even visiting your primary care physician in the days that come, the most important thing you can do is take care of yourself. If you've been in an accident and haven't followed some of the steps that we've talked about here today, that doesn't mean you don't have a case. Contact Tobler & Associates, where you can speak to someone on our legal team or an attorney who can help you understand your rights and what you're entitled to. When you've been injured, you need a team of experienced attorneys on your side.
Our family's been fighting for your family for over 30 years.
Tobler & Associates,
Your accident and injury team.
If you've been injured in an accident, don't hesitate. Call today. Tobler & Associates, 480-898-9700, or visit www.toblerlaw.com.